screw it. I'm taking it off.
Hello everybody, it's Derek Freeze. Once again, we're joined by Mike, aka Tech Memes on YouTube. And we're going to be taking apart this Keurig. We got a new one because this one was leaking and had a bunch of other issues. Like 37 years old. So, let's get this thing, take it apart, remove the freaking K-cup out of it. See what's in this thing. This piece here comes right out. It's metal. Spare drinks go in there and crap. So that can go off to the side. We have a reservoir that also comes off, which I guess that's nice. Side of the machine. Might have to be a bit destructive because it looks like there's freaking security screws on here. Is that security screws? No, these are just like regular. Oh look, it's made in China. Haha, it's leaking water on my floor. I'm gonna have to clean that. We'll do. Wrong way. It's gonna give me free screws though, which I guess that's always nice. So, sit on. I literally just charged this. Talk about technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. We're probably like 1 minute into the video already. You can't see it. Wow, freaking 1 minute into the video and we've barely gotten this thing apart. I'm having technical difficulties with my power tool. Dang, if you don't have an electric screwdriver, you should buy one.
I don't have one.
You should have bought one. That.
How much are they?
I don't know, probably like less than 30 bucks, I'm guessing. Oh, that'd be Phillips.
I don't know.
It's worth it. For taking crap apart like me, I
like these screwdrivers.
Oh, look, I dropped one of my A's. Ah! K-double-A. Just like, probably like a hidden screw or something. Oh, there's tape.
Oh.
You freaking tape. Here's the ground connection. I don't like have any of the appropriate tools here to take anything apart tonight. So that's nice. This can be scrap metal, I guess. And there's like there's so much stuff going on in here. There's a dead bug, which I guess that's cool. Cord which just doesn't want to come. Yep, dead bug. We have our cord, which is nice and cord-like. So we have our beautiful grounded cord. There's a look at what's going on the inside. I think this is like a pump motor or something. So it comes out of here, which would have been a reservoir. Like, we'll take our 2 screws off that are holding that on. I'm gonna have to pick up all these screws that I leave here on my floor. It's like a pump motor. Dang. I'm like taking out like the rest of the base on this thing. There's like a screw. It's kind of interesting. There's a lot of plastic in here. can get it on a screw, that would be nice. So this base here comes off now. I feel like there should be like, I feel like I'm missing something. Eric's missing something. Significant force. Those big zip ties? No zip ties. Better looks. It's just most of the base that was on there. So we have a pump. I think that like slides on. Is that zip tied on? I can't tell. So I'm remove these free screws. These like literally so small they don't fit in the screwdriver. It does be like really small. There's like no capacitors or anything in here. I think we'll get this top part off. I see 2 screws underneath here. I always like taking stuff apart so I can always tell people, hey, I've been into one of these before. Well, that just looks... that didn't really do much for me. Oof. Can't really see if there's anything else to get apart in here. I think I'll just have to smash I think I'm gonna have to smash everything else open. There's like an electric panel. Can't like get any of this.
This is so random.
What?
I have a door chime of a 2002 GMC Yukon. Why do I have a... I'm not gonna ask.
Literally, have a look inside of here.
Yeah, that's Chinese.
It's quite interesting. It said it was made in China. About that plate over there.
Yeah, no. Not surprised one bit.
No, not really gonna show you so much. This is like our pump motor here, I'm guessing. It looks like there's some screws here. Maybe we can take this apart. I'm not sure if I can really get anything else out of here. I think there's like another part of the reservoir, but I don't see any other additional screws to like get anything else out.
That makes sense why I have this.
Kind of curious. Need to know the story behind that. That's not coming out. That just this cord here. It looks like it rips off. Yeah, it just pops off. Pops right off.
I'm gonna tear apart a DVD player.
Go for it. I'm not stopping you. I don't know. There's like, I can't figure out how to get the rest of this apart. It looks like there would be screw holes, but I don't see where those screw holes would be. Unless if we just start prying this.
I lost my screwdriver.
I can pry this. Well, that's not a good sign. Can't get the dang thing open. I have to, like, I don't know anymore. Let's have a bit of fun with it. Where is this knob? We're gonna put a knob in here and watch it crush it. We're gonna watch it crush it. Same here. I'll like try to get this back part off. Are there like any additional screws in here I don't see? They literally made this. Like, how did he put this together, I'm guessing? Like, how?
Wait, did
Yes. I don't know where it went. It's probably on my floor. It's gonna get vacuumed, because I'm vacuuming in here tomorrow anyway. I just need to... I think I'm just gonna, like, try to pry everything off. I'm like, I kind of give up. I've been filming for 10 minutes. I think this is more of like, I don't know. Not more of like an instructional video, more of like Eric Deeds explores something, I guess. Now I have to clean up all these tools. So I'm like, So I have like tools everywhere now. So that's what it's like inside of this freaking Keurig. Not so much to say, I think I'll smash it. I got a cord out of it, which that's always a good thing.